shit like that, my body does not do well
Yeah,
in those times. So I just like to
Damn.
nip it in the bud before it even get worse.
yeah. So I was actually about to take this cell before I got on the call, um, but I didn't want to take anything before market open.
Yeah.
I'd rather just let the sale play out. But I'm looking for sales to kind of play out on NQ and get down into this zone, um, and then we start to potentially see the move back up. Yo,
Yeah,
why
I
is
ain't
my
gonna lie.
computer lagging, bro? What the fuck?
This shit off. Let's get market first.
Probably because I got hella shit running in the background.
And clear some of the tabs. I did a deep dive into yesterday's session, and definitely feel good coming into that. Well, I mean, I had been got over that shit yesterday. It wasn't even so much a trade. But me and Chris talked about how we can go about risk management. As far as on my end, his risk management is pretty much normal.
Nah,
We're just
yeah,
further
yeah.
on.
The review yesterday felt good. You know what I mean? Just diving deep into it. Um, Definitely feeling good today. Prepared to just follow the plan. That's really it. Follow the plan, manage risk effectively, and live with the result like you said last time. But yeah, today I
Cool.
just I just started up this lottery. That might be why this shit is fucking lagging. That might be why this shit is lagging.
Today, already knowing that.
Yeah, that might be why this shit lagging. It's okay. The stream look good, so stream look really good.
Are you streaming right now?
Yeah, I'm about to. I'll send a link, but
Cool. That. First things first. I pop all the monies. Playboy bunnies. Girls want money. Yeah, I'm about to post this on my gram. So,
say no more.
see if they gonna join.
I'm about to just make sure this is.
Flow motion. Oh my mother, yo.
I had to,
Oh,
yo.
bro.
No cap.
When I heard that, I was like flow motion. My mother said,
Yeah, bro. I was debating on whether I want to name it flow moving or flow motion. Both them shits hard.
yeah, said. But you got to, my nigga.
Yeah.
You got to. Flow motion. First things first. I pop.
I gotta see if I can edit this thumbnail. Cause I don't like how I made in my profile picture. That should be automatically doing that. Hold up. I wanna change the thumbnail first, cause this shit. I don't know why it's like.
Girls wanting money.
How do I change this shit?
Yeah. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, this nigga want another half. God damn. This nigga went through the half already. Oh, niggas get paid. Oh, wait. Hold the fuck up. Yeah, that's another one. Hold up. Shit. That's 170 on bro. Them grave. Yeah. Take that trip up to South Jersey. No funny shit.
Bro, I'm tight they doing work outside right now. Y'all hear that shit?
Nah, I don't know.
Oh, all right.
That's my ears is bad.
Nah, that's good. Hopefully,
Yeah, I don't hear shit.
that's good. 'Cause they drilling shit outside, and that shit kind of blowing my junk. But
But I don't know why Maplewood doing hella construction, bro. I don't know why, bro. It's hella everywhere I go. I see things doing construction. By my crib, they got hella bricks and shit out here.
yeah,
Hella detours when I'm like, what the hell? I don't see no changes to anything. Fuck. Changes. Just clean that up. Rejection, reversal candle. Crap.
oh
Close,
yeah. You see how like this cell model like kind of formed?
yeah. You looking down at 15, right? I need to get down there a
Yeah,
little bit more.
and
I
and
can already see it from like the highest time frame because it can't break structure to the upside.
yeah, you see all those exhaustion candles.
Yeah, exactly. It can't break structures to the upside. Like it's
So it's
like
like, so it's like,
struggling. So now what I really want to see now is price to really break structure. Well, I'll probably see it on the lower time frame. It's imbalanced down here.
I'm on the stream, can't be looking too scruffy on niggas.
Last night, fucked around and got a triple double.
Hey Phil, how you
Good.
feeling this morning, my brother?
Feeling good, bro.
That's what's up, bro. You know I'm glad to see you in here, bro.
It's like
Yeah, bro.
I'm at class right now.
I mean,
Class right
if you want, we can kind of go over, what I'm looking at here. Um, Market opens about 15 minutes. I don't plan to take any entries before then, so we got about 15 minutes to kind of just go over what I'm looking at here. I'll go to a blank chart and we could kind of run through this because right now this is a very very tricky price action that we're trading inside of. But I'm gonna show you guys pretty much how I'm looking at it, how I'm interpreting it, and this is where it's shit lagging. But this is where the whole rule of like when you take out a high, you need to come take out a low becomes super important. Um,
Yeah,
because it's a lot of liquidity being swept on both sides consistently. So you kind of just want to be playing the sweeps. So I'm going to show you what I'm looking at here, and we could just dive into this. Are you ready?
uh, yeah,
All right. So as you can see, the last major liquidity sweep happened right here, right? So we could break
word,
to the top side.
right.
Now we've got this big impulse here.
Mm-hmm.
Now, our job is just to analyze this leg, okay? So we need to look at the structure within this leg, right? Now you see how we kind of go like this, like this, like this, right?
Yeah,
So we just kind of dive into the most recent trading range. We're clearly in a bullish trend, right? So
right.
we're gonna dive into this range and understand what's happening.
I bet.
So I'm gonna go down to the 4 hour, or maybe even zoom in on the daily here, and this is where things get very interesting. So we just talked about how we had this main structure break on a highest time frame horizon. This is like the highest time frame horizon structure break that we had that led
Right,
to our most recent impulse.
right.
So usually the natural thing to expect is a pullback and then go up, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's why it's important that you kind of pay attention to the price action model that's setting up. Like you see how
Okay.
after we broke this, we kind of started having these exhaustion candles. Then we came up, came down,
Yeah,
came up, came down. Like
yeah.
we're low key consolidating. All right. So
All right.
so in these type of market conditions, it's just important for you to know that look, the market is setting up to create a much bigger move that we're not going to be able to predict until it happens. But our job is to just pay attention to the most recent range that was established and
Right.
follow what the trend is telling us. So now you see how we created this leg here, right? We're clearly bullish after breaking this high. Then we came back down, created a low, came up, swept that low, and then broke to the top side.
Mm-hmm.
So we're bullish.
Right.
So ideally, it's like, okay, you want to prioritize buys. But in this specific scenario, we need to acknowledge that look, there's an order there are order blocks up here, supply zones, whatever you want to call them, that price could reverse off of. Because remember how we trade, we swept out this high.
Mm.
So isn't that liquidity to give us movement to come back down?
Yeah.
So let's go down to the lower time frame, 4 hours, to see okay what's actually in front of us here. So the first thing that happens is yes, we broke to the top side, and yes, this is a realignment, right? Because we swept here and we broke. So
Mm.
now this is our impulse. So all we know is if we see movement down, it should not be to come take out this low. It should just simply be a pullback to continue higher. Makes sense, right?
Right. Yeah.
And then that's beautiful because that aligns with our overall narrative of seeing buys, right, continue.
Right.
So now the narrative is starting to come together. But if we were to see sells, now it's about identifying liquidity points on a chart that price could come to before continuing higher. Now,
Okay.
now based off of right, we went from this low to this high, and then we came down, and now we're just trading inside this range. So let's go to a lower time frame to see what's happening in this range.
Uh,
So we know we want to go higher. We know before even this range was created, you see how after we swept this high, we had this retracement here into this order
mm.
block, and we moved away.
Right.
So that's nice because that's order flow, right? We're seeing the buyers get respected, and we know ideally it should not come lower than this point because this is where the last mitigation happened.
Yeah.
So again, we're just gonna zoom in on the current trading range and pretty much identify the liquidity point that price can come down to before continuing higher. So here we go. Now I'm just gonna draw the structure here, or at least I'm gonna help. You're gonna help me, right? I'm gonna start at this low. Let me know when to stop. We got a high right here.
Nah, keep going up.
We got a high right here. This
Honestly,
internal
I
structure.
would mark. Oh, internal structure. Yeah.
Yeah,
Then yeah.
nice. We got a low right
That
here.
low.
Yep.
Yeah.
High,
And then that next. Yeah.
low.
Low. Yeah. And that's where we at right now.
Exactly, because we haven't broken either side.
Right.
But do you see where price came to before it started going back down? Do you see the order block?
Like a sell order block.
Yeah,
I would say, like right. Yeah. Right there. Right there.
exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly. So price came to this order block and now it's starting to sell off. So we marked out our structure points, which is just our liquidity points. So now that we know that, right, really, this low is actually irrelevant too, because really, all we did was go from this low to this high. So we're inside of this range here.
Okay.
But because we know we want to take out some form of liquidity to go higher, the first thing we need to identify is that liquidity point. Which one would you say is the main one that price is looking to target before going higher? We have a liquidity here, liquidity
Yeah.
here, liquidity here. Which structure point?
Um, I would say either.
And I'm gonna just mark it off. We got 1.
Hold on. I'm trying to look for the order block. That's why.
Okay, 2. um, And 3. So
Feel like I don't really see any order block. So I'm gonna say two. I'm gonna say two because I see that actually that order block got filled for the most part.
you talking about this one?
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah. And also, why is this also a bad one?
because it's line out liquidity.
Exactly. Equal lows.
Yeah, so it have to be one at that point.
Exactly. Exactly. So what we're anticipating is for it to come here. Now, you may not see an order block, but is there an imbalance below 1?
Yeah,
So that
yeah,
so that becomes the area, right, that we look for a potential buy to continue from.
right.
So that's what we'll be watching for, right? I was gonna position myself on the sales, but I'm like, I'm gonna wait till market open. I'd rather miss the sales, even though on a lower time frame, this is actually my sell model playing out right now.
Mm-hmm.
But
Should already happen.
yeah, I
But
mean,
but if you look on a 5 minute though, we got a order block sitting right below
yeah,
above. So
yeah,
I'm just waiting for that. I mean,
yeah.
market open should
Facts.
bring it back up.
No, facts. We definitely gonna see. We definitely gonna see. So so now you see how you were able to identify that. Now, liquidity points 2 and 3 aren't that relevant to us because it's not main structure relative to the internal trend that's being made.
Yeah.
See what I'm saying? So
Mm,
so watch this, right? You got your low, your high, your low, your high. Now, if I draw this out, all we're really looking for is this, right? Boom, boom.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So,
So if I drag this over, that's all we're really looking for. This is trendline liquidity pretty much. Get swept.
mm,
And now we go into the top side to take out these equal highs.
Actually valid.
And then you see how it respects the initial leg that was formed. Because yes, you have structure here, but look at the push. It goes here, then it comes here, then it goes there.
Right.
The liquidity is just designed to trick you into thinking that it's going in whatever direction you might think it is. But really pay attention to the pushes, right?
Mm,
It's just literally pushed up, and we haven't pushed down yet. This is just all internal price action. We're
right.
waiting for that push down so that we can continue back up.
Mm, that's crazy.
feed my daughter.
Pretty
So I'm
simple,
good,
right?
baby.
Yeah, bro, for sure. I mean, you did all the things that you need to do when you're identifying like the right place to take your order from. You feel me? You found the imbalance. You feel me? You found where the liquidity was, and and there was a momentous push. So I think that's a valid buy, bro.
Yeah, most definitely, bro. It's really cool that you can see it. You know what I'm saying? And the thing about forming these analyses is it just take practice, you know. But I'm gonna give you guys like my checklist that I use, so you guys know exactly what I'm actually doing to come up with these narratives. Because it's really just about identifying where the sweep's happening and then playing pretty much the opposite side. Like
Mhm.
like right now, the only reason why I'm
Yeah,
seeing sales is because the last sweep happened on the buy side. So we
Mm-hmm.
have fuel to
yeah,
come down. You know what I'm saying?
right.
And I don't know if I talked to you guys about the law of like internal liquidity, but like sometimes before price wants to continue a trend, it'll want to grab this point here, which is just the last point that formed
No,
before.
you start breaking out.
Yeah,
Hello, yo.
you can hear me.
I say you started breaking out. Yeah, what did
Okay.
you say? You started breaking up before.
Yeah.
You
Nah.
said after you said I don't know if I told you you broke. So
Yeah. So one cool part about price is that, and this is like where you really get deep into like the algo theory. It's like, let's say price is moving up, you know what I mean, and it's mitigating, and then maybe it comes like this, right? And now it leaves this wide imbalance. Let's say it starts going like this. Before it wants to come attack this point, it's gonna want to come collect this point.
yeah,
And this is the point, the last point that was created before the last imbalance. So now it comes and fills that. Now it can go external again.
yeah,
So this is internal, right? We come internal to go back external, right here.
right.
So that's really it's a combination of concepts and theories that I managed to kind of put together, but also just learning from the course, like just diving deep into the concepts. I don't go over those things that much, but it's definitely things that I'm always looking at when I get to the chart. So, um, over
Right.
time, you'll see how this stuff plays out consistently. But the important thing is that like we framed our narratives. We said we're bullish, so we really should be prioritizing buys. But we also understand where the sales can come from and why.
Now you good, bro. You going?
No, yeah, I just that's pretty much it.
All right. I thought you like paused erratically for a second.
Nah, we want to be buyers because obviously the last shift happened off of this sweep. Then we broke structure here, so now this is our impulse.
Right.
But we know that we might need to retrace before going higher, right?
Yeah.
And that retracement happens in the form of a sell narrative. So it's like you got to be able to identify how that sell can play out, and that's what we did here.
Right.
Mm.
Right.
So, like I could be completely wrong about what's gonna happen, but this is what I'll be watching for, type shit.
Yo. Good, bro. How you, man? I'll just do Russell Watson. Oh, word? Yeah, you already knew how to do them? Oh, yeah. That's valid, bro. The last thing I need to do for the club is just find a faculty staff member who's willing to like fake oversee it. But they don't really have to do much. You feel me? So once I do that, we're pretty much good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. All right, man.
We getting price into this orchard black.
So
See,
market
yo, I ain't
open.
gonna lie. This the shit that's blowing my shit now. Cause tell me why 3 contracts is only $178.
Hey yo, it's probably because this. It's probably because this price action is so condensed that like it's probably not even like big.
Yeah, it's not. It's not. That's what I'm saying. It's not. Bro.
All right, market open. Let's see what happens.
Yeah.
Let's see what happens, man.
Up, push up.
Yo, Phil, you got your breakfast, bro?
Yeah, I did. Word.
Yeah, hold up. Yeah.
So let's see if we come above this high. Because this can very much just start pushing up.
You want to tap into that liner?
Right? Because we swept out this liquidity here. We came
Yeah.
into the demand here.
It is a 5-minute demand. That's not mitigated yet. Okay. Okay. Cool. Oh, we got this sweep. Okay. All right. Let me see something real quick.
Yeah. So I don't know if you guys are seeing the price action right now, but literally, it's a lot. It's let me kind of delete these lines so it don't confuse y'all.
205, 1 to 2. That's 400. I mean, I can do that.
So I'm not really interested in taking a sell unless it comes above the high. Only
Yeah, because
because
like this is like yeah.
yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we actually just start pushing past the highs, you know what I mean, and just start going up because it did collect liquidity here and we tapped into this demand here. You know what I mean? So all I would wait
Yes.
for is a potential pullback, a good confirmation, and then just look to take it up.
I ain't gonna lie, ES look better than NQ. And we got a S&T divergence on ES and
Shit.
those I ain't gonna lie, those are equal highs right there on NQ.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, so yeah, I'm waiting for that sweep then. Fuck that. For sure.
And it's like the price action that is forming is so like tedious that like I'm literally not even on the 5 minute watching it because this literally looks like a 5 minute chart. Like
Yeah.
with the way we seeing all of this movement. So it's like I'd rather just watch it on the 15 because this is clear as hell to me. And once we see a sweep, then maybe I can zoom in on the 5 and see what happens. But so far, there's nothing that I'm interested in taking.
Oh yeah, so I found out my drawdown is 1,060.
Yeah, you good.
So
You good. That's more than enough to recover.
yeah, not for sure. My average loss is how much my average loss is. Damn, it's not gonna show it on this account. That's true. Average my average loss is $135.
Yeah, so niggas ain't that bad.
$135. So be extremely patient with this one. Pick it. I'm not taking look. Like you said, that shit is dead. DOA. However you want to call it.
Oh, yeah, niggas.
Deal.
Shit, a lot that happens. I'm like about like 2.5.
Yo,
Happy
Chris, you got
uncle, what
class
the
this
hell?
morning?
I'm about to put you on my AirPod just in case y'all gotta let me know some shit spark off.
I bet.
Nah, I'll leave and this shit start tapping and going one candle and all this other shit.
Nah,
Bad as
you
hell.
straight slow. Yeah. uh,
Just start. I still make the confirmation. Fresh out of jail.
hey Phil, you had said something?
Yeah, I said you got class today.
Oh no class today. No
No
class today.
class today.
But I still gotta go to my school. I gotta get my physical done. Um for this tryout, this
Are you about
baseball
to
tryout.
try to walk on?
Bro, I ain't gonna lie. I'm going to try, but this let me tell y'all something, bro. Cause like I know myself, right? And I know this is my main priority. So like, even though I love the game, bro, I'm really doing this so I could try out, kick their ass. If I get picked up, I get picked up. But I just want to kick their ass. You feel me?
Word.
Nah, I feel you, bro.
Dead ass.
Well, when it's tryouts though, you're like,
Tryouts, I don't even know, bro. The team meeting was yesterday, but I had class, so I couldn't even go.
don't be talking about nothing to me. I'm not going on, bro.
That's why I said, bro, I'm not tripping off that shit. Cause at the end of the day, bro, when niggas see me on the court, niggas know what's up. Like, I'm gonna be in that bitch confident as hell. They gonna be mad as hell that I'm that confident, bro. I promise you. They gonna be mad. I'm gonna be bringing hella energy. They gonna be like, why this nigga so turnt right now? I'm telling you, bro. That shit might scare niggas, bro. That shit might scare niggas. I'm not even trolling. Yeah, so this clearly a buy. This shit's definitely going up. You know what I'm saying? Just not nothing that's proper. You know what I mean? Like this is a clear buy model to
Word.
me. Came down, coming up. We kind of inside this SMT, and now we're playing off of that. I want to see it come up in here. How it plays off of here is important, but even then, bro, I don't even like it up here because now it's equal highs with this, right? So if it start coming
Right.
up here, this really should fail and just push through. So tricky price action, of course, but I'm leaning toward the buys right now just because of how strong the volume came in off the sweep. But
Mm-hmm.
I still like the idea of seeing sales down here just because this would be the textbook area to be taking continuations to actually get to this high. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
But I'm not pressed to take a trade at all. Like I'm happy to take no trades today. I'm just waiting for the perfect setup.
That's the key. That patience.
No cap. It's like Deucement, SMT, yeah, SMT. We print up our new order block right here. That's being mitigated. See that?
Yeah.
So we're mitigating off. So now, ideally, you would want to be waiting for a confirmation here, but because it's playing up here, it's not something I'm interested in. I would want to see it come inside, form candles that break right here, and be getting in right around that area, taking it up.
Mm.
I don't want to be entering here, right? Because this is too close to this liquidity point. So once it gets here, it
Yeah.
can come right back.
Yeah.
Like I said, bro, I'm prepared to not take a trade today. The real entry that I'm looking for, I want it to be off a proper pullback. Like I want to see, huh, huh, huh. You feel me?
Word.
Okay, okay. I like this. I like this because now the sell narrative, right, could potentially hold up. If this shit really start, yeah, yeah, yeah. All right. So now the idea for the sell narrative is starting to look pretty nice. We'll see how this candle closes, but it's starting to look nice because everything is starting to line up with the higher time frame.
Mm.
Wow.
Okay, but it's swept. So let's see what happens now, right? Because we're playing off of this zone still, off of this this uh this zone right here. You see these wicks are tapping it. If we invalidate it, that would be really nice because now we know for sure sales are just going to continue toward this low here. Because all of this is just liquidity, bro. Ain't no way. Ain't no way we go
All
off of
right, I'm
this.
back. What the fuck done happened?
All right, the the sell
Oh
narrative is
shit!
setting
Damn, we
up.
pushing down. Oh, damn.
So I'm
But
not.
then we didn't sweep those highs though. Damn.
We
Like
didn't,
that.
but it's still valid for me because it
Yeah.
still aligns
yeah,
in the sense
yeah,
that like
yeah.
it came up to the very top. I know price can do that sometimes, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And if
Let me
we
see. Sometimes that
invalidate the
shit is
zone,
barely wicked.
then I'll look for it. I'll look for a sell. But waiting to see how the candle closes. And yeah, that's pretty much it for real. Because again, because this
Same.
becomes a confirmation of this whole price action model
Oh,
right
oh,
here.
oh, oh. Yeah.
Boom.
Remember how I met her? I just know I won't forget her. Then I just know I won't see heaven with 20 and some change. Before I get the TIA, I'm sure to make her rain. Shout out on here.
942.
I told her this is overrated, but I love your city, baby. You know, we finally famous. Driver dropped me off in Dallas. I'm headed to some money. TSA be laughing, all the rubbers in your luggage. But you'll never find another.
See how it's rolling on the 15. Yeah. I like how it's 15 is.
The compliments your friend. Look at your body, girl.
This looks on a 1.
Catch my flame.
Holy crap.
Say you're missing and you wish me for some private time. Could we get that way? God, could we get that way? I'm in a
Yeah.
great mood.
Hey,
No,
yo.
I ain't gonna lie, yeah.
oh, no, it might have. Yeah, no, that shit slept. That shit slept. It barely did though. Like kind of sort of used to drip, but it was written in cursive. I don't like how we getting this wick though. I want to see it close below those candle lows, at least close below those candles. But if it don't, shit, man. What happened there? Candle full. And I don't know if y'all had the 200 EMA on that shit, but that shit is literally like right there, just rejected on upside. Let me look at yes. Let's see how yes look. Really compliments your
All right.
friend.
So
1 hour look ass. Ooh. Hey, miss your friend.
all right, the buys seem like they're holding up pretty well.
Yeah, for
And
sure.
that's honestly cool because this would be the confirmation signal for the buy. You know what I mean? So it's a really interesting point in price where whichever side ends up winning usually ends up being the side that just boom takes the price to where it's trying to go. If the buys end up winning, then we should see it just continue printing up, and we should see these highs go, um, and potentially even this one as well. So I'm prepared to execute, just kind of waiting, like that candle. Yeah. So this is nice. This is nice.
Girl, could we get that way?
Gonna watch for how this kind of candle develops. This might be one that I potentially miss, only because it might start expanding up before I enter. But want to see how this kind of expands up.
Say that again.
I said I'm liking how the buyers kind of held the zone. This order block, I like this candle.
Oh, okay.
If we start expanding
Yeah.
up and we kind of close above, I'll be interested in taking a buy. And my target would simply be at this high. So it'll be a 1-on-1. Nothing crazy. But would have to see buyers close above the previous candle, right? Because this can still go down.
Oh, shorty. It's your birthday. She was busting.
Oh shit. Everything good? I'm good.
That's what it really was.
No, I realize I had that shit.
We got some sun pressure.
But it only took 10.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, so let's see how this forms, right? Because
Yeah, the
this
sales could still very much be.
no cap. I
If we
like
get
it.
a break below that candle, that previous candle low, ideally, that's what we want to see. And then looking at ES too, ES look like it's still holding that bearish narrative too. But I don't know, we'll have to see because prices just fluctuate like a motherfucker.
All right. So it's flipping back and forth.
Yeah, ideally, I want to wait for a candle close, see where price is at.
Fuck, man.
I like how this candle swept too. This is nice for a
So
sell.
Yeah, look at prices now. We got 1 minute till candle close.
sure. Yo. Where you got? So I could have sworn you just told me my shit was ready. 234? Oh no, my fault, bro. How they gonna gas me up like that though?
Nah, mine took good like 10 minutes. Oh yeah, check your. And this is at the end. This is at the end of my workout too.
The price don't know what the hell they want to do for real. For real.
Yeah, just waiting. Nice close. So we really should
Yeah,
see
like
it
that
start
below the
going lower.
200. Yeah, but
Order filled.
ideally.
I bet. I'm taking the sell.
Um,
Got my stop here. TP here. Really looking for prices to just dump now.
minutes.
So my target is really at the next 15-minute imbalance. That's right here. Because I know once we kind of get to this point here, we could start coming right back up. On the session though, I'm anticipating this shit to just get here, but I'm not about to hold just because I know.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Yeah, price should get
Right
here
about
with little to no
11:30.
resistance, so it'll be an in and out kind of play if it decides to dump, and that's really it.
What?
Look at that. Look at that. You can't make that shit up.
Our goal is to go break even as soon as possible.
You cannot make that shit up.
And price was, but I ain't gonna lie. I want literally the model as a sell. Like, you know what I'm saying?
You said what?
I said I wanted the sales to play out more.
Yeah, not saying.
The sell, we literally formed the algo and the sell in the sell version. Like,
Yeah.
everything, I got it mapped out right now. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Nah,
I was
word.
sales than I wasn't. And then on top of it, the higher time frame couldn't break structure highs.
Yup, exactly.
So it was more so like, okay, yeah. I still got love for the street. That's wrong. Yeah, that's wrong. Oh shit.
This trade is a textbook example on why you can never hesitate to pull the trigger. Not never, but you you should you should be wary about hesitating when pulling the trigger when you see your confirmation signal, because look how fast this shit just moved away. As soon as the candle closed, this
Yeah,
shit
that's
started jumping.
yeah, that's crazy.
See something. Oh, so I could place 4. Bro, I think it's based on how each contract is. Because I placed 4. I just placed another contract just now.
Mm,
You feel what I'm saying?
okay.
Because before I couldn't do 4, but the contracts were a lot more valued. So I think it's the contract side. That's retarded. Fuck. That's
Yeah,
whatever.
definitely gotta
Cool.
look
Well, I
into
got
it.
No,
four
they trying
contracts.
to hold niggas greed.
I got 4 contracts in this one.
Yo, all the candles just got mad blurry on my screen.
What happened?
Nah, I already ordered.
So in a situation like this is a textbook situation where I would actually close 80% at this point and fuck around, let
Where?
this shit ride here. But this could happen like on some finish playing
Yeah.
out around 12, 1 o'clock. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So obviously I'm not
Hey,
doing
what
that
low
on
do you
this
have your
trade.
shit at?
You said what?
You gotta have this. What low do you have your stop loss at? Oh, you have it right here. You have this shit right here.
Oh, my TP, yeah, it's
Yeah,
yeah,
right
this
here.
jump
The
right here.
structural low.
Yeah,
See the
this is
15.
really
See
clean
what lows I
textbook
start
trade.
at 15.
Really clean.
Oh, I see why you got it there. Yeah, I see why you got it there. Yeah, most definitely. I know that shit moving.
Like this shit really should slam all of these lows. I just
All these
know
lows in my
I
mother.
know once it gets here though, we can see a slight little pullback. But then after that, it should just boom, bye bye.
Yeah. Go break even soon. See, let's smash this low right here. To the fuck. No dough. The dough. I get close. This nigga Chef, yo. Dum, 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 dum,
Now we're seeing
dum.
you pull back.
Baby.
This is like that, you know. Oh, let me scale out this damn half real quick. See if I can have that shit. Bring to the Snoop Doggy Dog.
They blowing my shit. Ready? Nah, I'm on a live. My brother. Okay.
Nice. Let's see, continue to expand down off
Yeah,
this.
you can pivot. You can pivot. You can pivot toward the left. I want to see more of the price action.
Yeah, give me 1 second. I'm looking to add if this kind of.
Yeah, that's what I'm about to ask him too.
I'm gonna see how this next candle closes. This next 1 minute. Beautiful.
You say you about to add another order?
filled.
Yeah. So I added.
That was rejected.
Nah, sorry, niggas is on you. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not jacking it, bro.
Huh?
I said they trying to hold you. You say it got rejected.
You got rejected. I put 2 in. Let me see if I can do it.
Yeah, come in.
We got 30 seconds till candle close, so wait for that.
Wait, you added another sell, Chris?
Yeah, nah, you good. Yeah, I just added to my position, Phil. Now the reason I did that is because
They let me add. Let me add one. Let me add one. Say no more. Fuck talking about. Let me add
Nah,
one.
bro, you want it too, bro. They holding you, bro.
Yeah, it's whatever. They let me add one. I'll take that. Take that shit.
Wait, Phil, you were curious why I added?
Yeah, you like doubled down on your shit?
Yeah, so only because it came back, it tested, and it kind of gave me this bearish, this bearish kind of candle here. Now, this should be like the last ideal mitigation before we kind of dump. If it starts going back higher
Right.
and closes, then I'll just exit the trade.
Yeah.
Right.
We shouldn't do that. It ideally shouldn't do that. Snoop Doggy Dog. Yo. I see this shit just flush.
Nice.
Okay, there we go. There we fucking go. There we go.
That's beautiful.
Turn me up.
That's beautiful.
Turn me up, bro.
That's beautiful.
Oh my god, that shit just it didn't take me out. What the fuck? Oh, that shit didn't take me out.
No way.
Shit, get out manually then. Shit, fuck it.
Shit start piling, yo.
Yeah, that shit start glitching. What are you doing? Damn, it didn't take me. Bro, I literally missed my shit by 1 fucking tick.
Nah, dead ass.
But it's gonna go back down there though. It's gonna go back down there. But I'm in 5. I'm gonna take 3. I'm gonna take 4. Fuck it. I wanted to continue down there though. Yeah, keep going down. Keep going down. Mm-hmm. Yo, shit missed my witch call by a tick, not even a half a tick.
No, same.
Oh, that's
You know what I'm saying? No, it's cool though. For me, I think it's gonna flush through that shit for her, for real. But Chris, I'm gonna say, yeah, it missed his by a tick. It literally missed his tick. But I definitely still think it's gonna crush that low. That's definitely took a low.
So now I'm gonna trail my stop loss to this high right here,
Yeah.
and now my risk is protected regardless. If it comes up, it takes that out. Then this becomes whatever. But regardless, it'll be a small loss at worst. I mean.
Yeah, at first, yeah. Yes, sir. Get there. Took. Oh, okay. This one was.
Come on, NQ.
I didn't see that shit blow
yeah,
straight through. Come on, what we doing? Playing games.
My shit to break even.
You don't think watching the price action while you in a trade play with your emotions?
If you don't know how to handle them.
For me, yeah, like Saya said, if you don't know how to handle it, it definitely can. But like, I got to a point where I'm just like confident enough in my system and like my know-how.
Order
like,
filled.
Beautiful.
Yup.
Beautiful.
Damn, and he had Jarvis let him know type shit. Order filled type shit. That's all.
Jarvis on my mother.
Oh, bro.
Hey man,
I'm out of this
talk
shit
too.
fully. I ain't gonna lie. I ain't trying.
Now this is the part where I don't fuck around. I'm locking my account right now. Fuck that.
Hey, yeah, I'm back up on. I'm break even on the account now. So
good shit.
I'll go into tomorrow with what you call it. See, I don't think I wish I could have risked a little bit more. Whatever. $300 on a day. That's more than I would have made out for it. That's how I just got to think about it. Fuck it.
Nah, dead ass.
Word.
Hey.
So that's cool.
Hey, that's valid, bro. So that's your
look,
profitable day, right?
Yep.
Yeah, you can withdraw now, my nigga. Or you still the loss from yesterday. I don't know if you made. I don't know how that worked.
Nah, I can withdraw now.
Ha!
Oh shit, got me.
Oh, bro, you feel what I'm saying?
Congrats, bro.
Appreciate it,
No
bro.
bullshit, bro.
Appreciate it. I think it's gonna
Bro,
be
you earned this shit, my nigga.
Yeah. It's probably gonna be around like 4.5, I think.
4.5 what? Bands?
Yeah.
Yeah, nigga. Yeah, nigga. What you talking about, nigga?
Nigga just said that shit so casually.
Yeah, nigga. Oh, bro. Yeah, nigga. Oh, wait, that's across 3 accounts though, right?
2 accounts.
2 accounts. That's why I'm like, hold the fuck up. Hold marginal. Nigga,
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
That's good plan.
Oh, so that's about 2. That's about 2 from each account though, correct?
So 4.5 in total because I thought you could withdraw 100% of your profits, but you only can do 50%. I'm pretty sure.
Oh.
So right.
And they do the profit split too, right?
Yeah, but I think for the I gotta check. I gotta look at the payout policy, but y'all see, I'm pretty much at a 5K balance. So
yeah,
I would be able to get like 2,500 around. So probably around. I'll probably get around like 4.8, 4.9. Because 2,500 plus 2,500 obviously 5,000. So
yeah.
But yeah.
Yo, tell me, yo, Chris, I posted I'm not gonna slide over my story talking about something you professional.
You said what? Huh?
My mom gonna slide over my story because I had posted the live stream and shit and I had posted my screens and she said you look professional. I know, bro. I do. I treat this shit like a business.
Bro, what? Come on, son. Niggas done turned pro in this shit, man. Niggas done turned pro in this shit.
Yeah, I'm about to get ready to go to South Jersey. I got I'm about to get ready to go South Jersey.
Oh, all right. Phil, you were saying something? You broke out, bro. Damn.
Oh
I ain't
shit.
gonna lie, you breaking out, twin.
Three into the foe. Snoop Doggy Dog. All right, so I'm back at break even now. It's time to crush these fucking. It's time to crush these fucking markets.
On everything, Slime. We just gotta
Shit,
keep
bro.
up. Keep at
Man,
it.
you just motivated me like a. Yeah, word to it.
That's love,
Yo,
bro. That's love. Oh God. That's
my
that's
contact really
that's what we do for
inspirational,
each
bro.
other, bro. Like real shit. Like I would not be able to do this at this pace without y'all. And I really need y'all to know that because you guys actually helped me to become a better trader. You know what I mean? Like having people that I know day one's in my corner, you know what I mean, that I could set an example for and just be accountable to is like it's everything. It's helped me push myself because you know it wasn't that I didn't have the skill, and I know this is the case with Saya too. It's like it wasn't that I didn't have the skill previously. It's just mindset issues, mindset struggles, and
Yeah,
it's like
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
going through this shit by myself, right? And it's like when you do that in this game at that younger age, it's really hard on you. So um,
yeah,
I just appreciate y'all for just sticking with me, you know, even during the times
yeah.
where I seem to be like I was pushing y'all away. You know what I mean? It's a lot of shit
Yeah,
that
sad,
that
sad.
go into it.
Word.
It's crazy you bring that up, gang. Because I remember when we first started. We was talking about our strengths and weaknesses and why we worked so good together, and it was
Yeah?
because you was better.
Oh,
You was
shit.
more so better. Your strength was more so your technical analysis.
Yeah,
Mine wasn't, right? But my strength
Yeah.
was more so the mindset was, and you was trying to get over that hump too.
yeah. Mindset and risk
And so when we
management. You
came
had that
together,
shit.
yeah, mindset exactly. And so when we came together, it was, I bet we gonna balance you out.
No cap. No, definitely.
That's fire, bro. I ain't gonna
Yeah.
lie.
So stream saw it. Hey man, I don't got no words other than we just gonna keep the needle moving, and y'all next. You know what I'm saying?
Oh no,
On
oh yeah, I'm
everything.
on that shit next week. I promise. What is that? I'm on that shit next week.
Yeah,
Bro.
bro.
Um,
Hey,
Hey,
y'all.
and once I
Ty,
build
next
that
up
buffer,
on
once I build
bro.
that buffer, it's over with.
Yeah. Hey, and y'all seeing the price action now after it took out our target? Look at what it's doing.
Yeah. Set.
Shit came right back up. Right.
Breaking out crazy.
The shit is literally setting up for a buy right now.
Mm-hmm. It just wanted to make that small little move, and it's look. That's
Mm-hmm.
all we.
Yeah.
Shit. Fuck that. Hold on, let me get this video real quick.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, I ain't even going. I'm gonna
That
let you
shit
first, my nigga.
right
You know
back
what I'm
into
saying? I'm
that
gonna let you
imbalance
announce it first,
spicy
my
though.
nigga.
You said what? You said
I said I'm gonna let you announce it first before. For me,
bro, real
bro.
talk. I really don't care if you announce because like my thing is like I just know
Dude,
that I
what the fuck
was
is
I
wrong with
was
my
meant to
brain?
make this happen. So I really don't
Yeah,
care. You
yeah.
feel me? Like I'm chilling, bro. I swear to
I'm
God,
gonna
like
look. I'm gonna just say a payout was hit yesterday. Oh,
on
bro. That's all I'm gonna say. I ain't gonna say who it was.
everything, bro.
Bro. Nah, I'm extremely proud of you though, Chris, for real.
Appreciate it, bro. I'm
Yeah,
just
You really
glad
made
y'all
this
Yeah,
shit
we all
happen,
proud of
bro.
you, bro.
yeah. That's
Despite
tough as hell,
all the work you have to do to get to this point is actually crazy, bro. But it
bro.
actually makes sense because where we had to start, most niggas don't have to start. It's so much shadow work that had to be done
Yeah.
Yeah.
to even have a fair shot at this. You feel me?
Uh-huh.
And that growth, you could appreciate it more. You see what I'm saying?
Bro, you hit it on the head, bro. And that shit really hurt. Like, yeah, bro. The shadow work, bro. That's a whole vid. Like, I could make a whole video 30, 40 minutes long just on that topic alone. So I appreciate you, you know what I mean, for mentioning that because this definitely was like a big part of this shit.
Word.
Yeah, bro. Especially, yeah, man. This shit's crazy. This shit's crazy.
That's tough though, bro. I ain't going to lie.
Yeah, man, it's just the beginning, bro. It's just the beginning. We're gonna be scaling by the end of the month. Just watch.
Yeah, for sure. Look, I got on
I
my,
like the sound of that.
okay, what you call it?
I like
1
the
and 2
sound of
payouts
that.
this month, bro.
That's one payout. Damn.
Yeah, that's one payout on everything. That's what this is. This
Nigga,
is what
you,
some niggas making a
you
month.
show up? I was about to say, you show up and you do that shit again next month. You know what I mean? If you did that shit, if you did what you just did for a year, let's run with that 4.5 number. That'd be 54 bands a year.
Yeah, you can mind you. This came off of 1.5
This
weeks
is
of trading.
this is 1.5 weeks to trade them with just 250Ks, bro.
Yeah, the
Like
numbers only gonna get bigger, bro.
exactly, bro.
Oh, bro.
That's the scary part. It's like the numbers is only gonna get bigger. Niggas is gonna keep scaling that shit. Yo, bro. Niggas is gonna keep scaling that shit, and it's really gonna get scary, bro. Scaling is scary.
Yeah, scaling is fun.
Nah, scaling is fun. Shit, especially if you got a system that's proven. Oh my god,
Yeah,
nigga, that's more money.
Yeah,
More
bro.
money, more problems.
Nah, no bullshit.
Yeah, that's what I'm
But
at
yeah,
this
but
shit.
and that's what I'm saying. It's like you gotta prepare for shit. All these years we've been doing mentally preparing for. This is not a surprise. This shit. Word
Nah,
to
hell
it.
no, hell no.
It's,
Not
it's
a
it's
surprise.
actually a surprise that it didn't happen sooner. You know what I'm saying? But
Word, for sure.
still, there were things that we understand now. There were things that mentally that we were going through that we had to get over. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Damn, bro. What the fuck?
So now I gotta figure out how to do this. I'm gonna have to I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just rock with the minis, the micros
Yeah.
until I make that buffer, but that's gonna suck.
Nah,
That shit's
trust.
gonna suck.
Bro, we gonna be Gucci. Cause look, like you,
The fuck are these
I
niggas
know you
doing?
already on this, but you gotta consistently look at it from like a longer time frame horizon lens, where it's like just like how you had those small wins stacked like that, it's gonna be the same exact shit.
Yeah, no, I feel you.
It's gonna be the
Yeah,
same.
them small wins though, them motherfuckers was 500 sit on it. But yeah, in a sense though, it's the only thing about the RR. Like if I can hit,
I'm telling you, you could get you. You're gonna be able to get $500 win. Cause think about it, the wins that you were that for $500 was actually supposed to be a band. You know what I'm saying?
yeah.
So
You
you
took
actually
that.
exactly. So really, you were taking half of what you should have been taking. But on the micros, that 500 is like you're winning full type shit.
Yeah.
So you gonna be straight. You know what I mean? 2, 3 trades, bro. You know what I mean? Shit gonna get you back on the board, and you just gotta keep consistently risk managing, keep consistently executing.
If I was the world. Yeah, no, but I'm definitely proud of you, gang.
I appreciate it,
I'm
dog.
definitely proud of you, nigga. A lot of niggas in this position, like you know what I'm saying, would try to with the envious as fuck. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, I got the biggest smile on my face as if my mother. My mother, it feel like a fucking. It feel like a winning day, and it's because we both know, like you know what I'm
Yeah,
saying. We both know how
Oh
long,
my god.
and I can personally relate to you because I've been doing this just as
yeah,
bro.
just as
It
long.
has not been fucking easy.
Yeah,
It
bro.
has not been easy, easy journey, especially niggas, bro. Bro. It was times we both wanted
Yeah,
our mother.
bro. Yeah, yeah, bro.
It definitely came across our heads before.
Bro, what? It felt like the right decision at one point.
Yeah. Now don't forget, bro. Think about it. It's the most logical decision.
Huh?
That you're losing money. You're negative.
Yeah,
You know what I'm saying? You're negative. So the logical thing is like, yeah, stop doing this shit. You're losing money, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? But nigga, we seen that shit too. And now the results is paying off, man. And bro.
no cap.
I need a damn what's called for this.
Okay, bro. Perfect timing. This is what you call a perfect session.
It's a perfect song I got for this shit too.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on. So
Said slow motion is better than no motion.
Facto. Facto.
wait. So Chris, wait. So you can pay out like every time you win money, or like you got to pay a certain amount and then you can take out money.
Every 5 green days where you make 200 or more, you're eligible for a payout.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Mine is what is mine? Hold on, let me see. In order for a payout, I have to reach the buffer, which is 2,100, and then minimum withdrawal amount 250. Amount must be at least 250.
Okay.
Yeah, winning days on lives, 30 days, at least $100.
Wait, hold up, stream. I gotta pause this one.
Yeah.
Please don't try. Please don't try to fucking.
Does this shit update right away or no? Oh, it doesn't. Okay. So now, does my buffer increase now? Now it went back to break even, or does it stay the same?
Your buffer target stays the same at 2,100.
No, I'm talking about like as far as the
the trailing drawdown.
Not the buffer, the trailing drawdown.
Oh nah, it stays the same. It stays the same until you get past what you was at when you was at your highest.
The buffer, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So until you get past the bounds that you was at when you were at your highest, it stays the same.
Okay. Like I can hit that shit.
All right,
I
gotta head out though. You feel me? I got a class at 10:30. Definitely glad I popped out. You feel me? It was definitely
yes, sir.
Get an insight on the trade for me for sure. So I appreciate you, Will. Appreciate you, Chris.
You're right. Appreciate you for look. I said this to what appreciate you for trusting in us with learning this journey. You feel me? We don't have as many payouts as but y'all still trust us with your time and energy. You feel what I'm saying? I appreciate. That goes for everybody in here.
Love,
bro.
You already know, son. It's just the beginning.
I know, like, you know what I mean? Like, even though I wasn't front line with y'all, I've seen the front line before. I know y'all niggas know what y'all doing when y'all there. It can really just get trenchy, bro. That's really how it gets sometimes. You feel me? But I know that y'all niggas know what y'all doing. You feel me? Y'all got too many years of experience to not know what y'all doing. You see what I'm saying? So yeah, bro, I appreciate y'all just, showing me the way and leading me through this journey. But, like Saya said, bro, it's a winning day for you, so it's a winning day for all of us.
Amen, bro. Amen.
You know what? I'm gonna get up with all y'all, bro.
Say no more, yo. Hey, be safe, twin. I love you, bro.
Nah, I love 50.
50, yeah.
Damn. All right. Well.
That's tough.
Good shit today, yo. Real good shit today.
All right. Well, stream. I'm about to end this stream. Y'all seen it first. We are officially, and I could just pull this up real quick, just so. I guess I could have it there. But we did it though, man. We did it. Oh shit. Hold up. Yeah. So let's get it, man. That's 5 days of profitability. And yeah, man, that's really all. I mean, I don't really got. I'm just in a moment, bro. Like this shit is all just like, bro. All I did was execute the process. You know what I mean? So yeah, man. Hey, I'm gonna end this. Catch y'all in the next stream. Oh shit, I didn't even show the video. Damn. Regardless, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next stream. Crazy day. All I did was follow the process though, y'all. That's it. Till next time, maybe I'll come out with a YouTube video going over like live reaction, thoughts, shit like that. But appreciate everyone who tuned in. And that is how it's done. One shot, one kill. I'm out.